Regenerative has a revolutionary coil press wheel that's sure to help your germination and give you more productivity. The unique part of it is a spring coil that self-cleans. Not only is it self-cleaning, but when it's in the ground, it squeezes against the seed rather than pressing on top of it, leaving a nice tilth on top for better germination. It's like when you put a veggie seed in the garden, you don't smack it on top. You press around the seed the same as you press around a tree, hence there is better germination. No more splitting rubber. The beauty of the coil wheels is you can flex and shed the mud, whereas after a while rubber can split. For longevity, it's made of wire and not rubber and keeps you going in the field for much longer. Early mornings and wet days it sheds the mud. We have different stud patterns for North American wheels, or packer wheels, as they are called over there. We've got wheels for Agmaster and primary sales. We cover the lot. We have 2 and 3 coil models. This is a 2 coil, and then you have a 3 coil that's mainly for parallelograms. It's all about getting more productivity with our coil wheels. There are 2 models. That's our standard press wheel model. Then we have our heavy duty here, with the spokes inside for the high pressure parallelogram, so it doesn't squash. This new patented system has proven to last longer than the previous models with these heavy-duty nylon pads. You have nylon pads on each point, so there's no wear and tear against the steel. This is our press wheel frame that you can fit onto most frames. This is 2x2 RHS. The idea is that you can fit it onto 3x3 RHS across the lazy bar of your frame. It's designed to pivot 15 degrees either way. At the moment, this one's locked in for display. You can get up to 20 kilograms of pressure, which is a common pressure. You can set this barb about 400 millimeters from the ground when you put it on the back of a cultivator or seeder bar. There is a large pivot point here. You can come here for adjustable pressure with this nut. The idea is that you don't want to put too much pressure on the seed. You just want to take the bounce out of it. You can't over-compact with our wheel. That's the beauty of this system, as it packs around the seed. With a lot of press wheels, the seed will sit at the bottom of the furrow and the press wheel sits here. Sometimes you don't get seed to soil contact, whereas this system, the coil will close around the seed and you get better seed to soil contact.